Alright, today we are going to draw a snow globe. And snow globe, like I said, we are always draw a overall shape. So since it's a oval, a circle, sphere on the top, so we are doing a square on the top. Then this is the base of the snow globe. So that's the top, that's the base, that's the first step. And also I want you to remember, I always say composition. So I want you to draw like exactly like how big I did. So if you have a paper, like rectangle paper, you look at the distance between this and this, so you know how big that and square you're going to draw, right? Or let's say, or this rectangle you can draw, because I noticed some of you like draw very up, some very bottom, or some very small. Okay, I don't want that composition. And look at my composition, figure out and how big you're going to draw that. Very important first step, very important. First step, determine how big and where you're going to draw all the things. Okay, then that's the second step. So you have this, you have a square, you kind of draw a like sphere, but like more than half, like more than half sphere, and on top of this base. And then you're going to draw the base. Basically it's like 2 stairs base. Think you can figure out that then those are curved, because the base is a curved base too. And now this is not very clear, but yeah, you can still see that's where I'm going to draw the house. So very important is look at this, and don't put this too up or too low. Okay, if you pay attention, look, you will know where to start, where to end, and how big this and how big that, right? Then you look at where you put the house, and so don't put it right here, right? It's kind of in the center, a little bit on the right side. That's a line in the center, right? You can tell by that. And now, okay, I have the place where the house, then I'm going to draw the house, then with some Christmas tree and that. Okay, get a little bit detail on the Christmas tree and the house. So now we're going to start shade. We're going to start shading the darker part, okay, the darker part of the house and the tree. After that, I didn't shade the snow yet, but look this, that's the shadow on the glass, on the globe. Okay, shade a little bit that. And that's I start shading the base. Okay, the base is shiny and the base is round, so that's why I have this highlight here, right? And it's dark, gradually light, so it's a reflection, some reflection here. And after that, okay, I shaded a little bit of shadow on the snow. I use a lighter pencil. Now you change a lighter pencil, H or 2H, shade a little bit on the globe, the glass part, all right? And I shade a little bit on the snow, shade a little bit on snow there, and shade darker here and darker there. And when you shade this, compare with other part. Don't shade it as dark as this, okay? Not that dark. And here is the last step. I'm just darkened this and made a casting shadow over there. Darken this, see, I darken this, darken this, darken this. Yeah, have fun with the snow globe.